This lady took her car to the dealer 4 times because her car randomly just doesn't start anymore. The car doesn't detect the key, no ignition, nothing. It only shows this message. Check this out. I don't know why I touched this cover on the side of the dash. An ignition turned on right away, then I started recording. Look how now I have no ignition. Then if I play with the wires here for the CAN bus bridge, then ignition turns on. So I knew what's the problem right away. I knew that one of the soldering on that bridge is cracked or something, so I'm going to take it apart and check it. Now it doesn't work. But when I move this CAN bus bridge, it works. Not this one. The other one, as soon as I touch it, it works. I opened the cover and checked this out. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but the second one on left from the bottom barely has soldering on it. That's the issue. Whenever the car moves, or heats up, or something happens, the car starts or won't start. I'm just going to add some soldering on top of it because the manufacturer was a little bit cheap and didn't add enough. Here's after I added some soldering, and I checked the other bridge and all of them look fine. I don't know what this circuit controls. I didn't even check what lost communication when I unplugged it. I used his Fantic cordless soldering iron. Great tool for stuff like that. When you have no access to electricity, this comes in super handy and it heats up in seconds. I love this tool. And forgot to tell you, when I scanned a car in the beginning, of course I had no communication with the engine computer and mostly all modules. I only could communicate with a couple of them and had no codes. As you can see now, ignition turns on and cars starts right away, even if I wiggle the wires. I forgot to tell you, it's a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6. All back together, no problems at all. Dealer changed both batteries for her. The main one and the auxiliary battery. And also changed the key fob batteries. And still had the same issue. An old lady gets stuck with a no running car somewhere while shopping or whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. And if you have a similar issue, check this before you start throwing parts into the car. Have a good day.